Good day, friends. I want to replace cabin air filter. Cabin air filter. What is this? My Audi A4 B5 model. Yes. And this is a code. This is a code. Okay, let's find out how this thing made it. Okay. This one too. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. It's not so clean. Okay. And let's open this one. Airflow, yes. There's shits of some animal, like airflow. Okay. Airflow. Okay. Okay. And open new one. Let's open new one. Well, it costs not much. Probably €6 or maybe less even. €6, yes. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Airflow, okay. And airflow. Okay. Airflow, okay. Okay. Now this one. On the same place, yes. And we have this one, yes. Yes, am I right? Okay. This one, yes. Okay. And screwdriver, yes. And screwdriver. Relaxing, yes, okay. Relaxing. Screwdriver. Okay. This one. This one, yes. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, that's all. That's all. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. I want to replace this one and clean this one with this carburetor cleaner. Thank you for watching. It's my Audi A4 B5 model from 1995 who has a automatic gearbox. Wow, it's not manual. It's not manual. Wow. I hope you like my films. See you in the next scenes. Goodbye.